16 kilometers uphill before you get here. You can see some of the trestles from up here. There's number 1, 2, and 3 off in the distance.
You can see the mountains with ice on top there.
We'll keep away from the edge because it's very steep.
Yeah.
Weather's cool, I think.
Yeah, it was hot all the way up, and now it's cold. That's a view of the city of Kelowna. And right now we are in the first trestle here. This one was reconstructed after the fire.
Huh? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's pretty cool. There's the other side here. Okay, you also can see the trestles way back there. We're gonna go through that. It's this is an 8.5 kilometer loop that we're gonna do. This is the first tunnel, eh? Sure. Look how beautiful. Just gorgeous. It's just beautiful scenery here. You can see the trestles in the back there. Very nice. Okay, we are in the Myra Canyon, and those are, I think those are trestle number 18. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful ride. It's flat and it's 8.5 kilometers. Very nice. Really cool. Let me take a picture of her leg to show. Okay, so Jean left her bike and went through one of those trestles because she was trying to look at the view. And this is what happened to her. Not very nice. How are you feeling, Jean?
It's a big hematoma.
Yeah, big hematoma. She's a tough girl, though. Huh?
Sore.
And we forgot our first aid kit that we shouldn't have forgotten. How's it going?
Okay.
Jean, the biking machine.
It's the big hematoma.
Yeah. It's starting to swallow a bit, so
Yeah.
yeah. You probably. Okay, so we are almost at the end of this trail, and we are going towards Roos Station, and this is the view. I don't know if it's gonna show well, but this is the view of Kelowna, and you can actually see the airport run away from here. There you go. And this is probably the last trestle, that we're gonna go through before you arrive in Roos Station. Okay, so now we're going down towards Penticton, but this is a rough road. I'm just showing a little bit. A lot of rocks, and it's gonna be a tough downhill. Good luck, Anna.